Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Now that the festivities are around the corner in India, today we are going to discuss about how can we make our Friendship Day and Raksha Bandhan more special. Now that 2nd August being Friendship Day and 3rd August being Raksha Bandhan, I know most of you are wondering what can be done during these lockdown times. So I am here to help you. Why delay? Let's get started. First things first. Now that we can't go out, can't meet friends, maybe your siblings are away from you. To rescue you from all these problems, the first thing we can do is placing an order for Rakhi or friendship bands online. There are many websites that help us buying Rakhis and friendship band and deliver to our beloved ones without us moving away from our homes. Why not try your hands on some digital gifts? So there are multiple options for buying digital gifts. Even if you are running low on your budget, you can send across some free digital gifts. When I say free digital gifts, it means that you can send some free e-cards available online, or you can record a personalized video message, 30 second, 1 minute, a short one with a sweet message and send it across. This thing gives a personalized effect too. Or you can buy some gift cards from various popular platforms like Amazon, Flipkart, Myntra. These gift cards can be sent via emails and your beloved ones can always redeem them with whatever they want to buy. Isn't it a good option? Let's check out some more options. I know the pain of staying away from our beloved ones. It may be interstate or it may be intrastate. The pain is same. What we can do is schedule a virtual party. When I say a virtual party, be prepared for the party as if you are doing it right at your home. Get dressed up, prepare some cocktails or mocktails, be ready, and then schedule a virtual party. You can have long conversations, long video calls, and the dressing and the environment gives you an effect of having a party right by at your home. To enhance these parties, you can organize some online games. Like you can post some puzzles like Pictionary, or you can use platforms like Ludo King, etc. to play a virtual game online and enjoy it. Tambola, Ludo are some very famous games that can be played online. Another interesting way to enhance and modify your boring in-house parties is by having a Netflix subscription. No, I am not promoting Netflix, it's just a suggestion. So Netflix has a feature of syncing up with your friends, watching the movie together from different locations, enabling group chat so that it sounds as if you are sitting right in the theater along with your friends and enjoying the party. Why delay? Go check out Netflix. Another way to show your love is by buying some online gifts and delivering it directly to their address. This can be done very easily and all of us are shopping freaks, aren't we? Why not browse Amazon, Myntra, Flipkart, etc. buy some exclusive gifts for our beloved ones and send it to them? Or you can buy sweets as well. Why not buy some sweets, some namkeen packets, etc. via Swiggy and deliver them right to their home fresh? Isn't it a great idea? Technology has given us many opportunities these days. Whatever we discussed till now was for somebody who is away from us. So if somebody is with us, how can we make the moment more special? That too in this lockdown, I understand we cannot go out often, but then we can make our home a wonderful place to celebrate. So firstly, you can decorate a part of your house like a wall or a particular small area like cozy balconies, etc. You can decorate the walls by hanging some nostalgic pictures to them or getting some photo frames in front of those walls and making memories right there. Or you can cook some food with your hands for your beloved ones. I am sure it will make it more special for them. If you think all this is going out of your budget, then simple things can save you here. Simply change the cushions of the sofas which you regularly use. Make it more geometric with more bright colors. I am sure it will amp up the environment. Or put some random lights. You will get those kind of lights anywhere in your market. Or even maybe they are with you which you bought for Diwali's celebrities. Just hang them near sofas or chairs. I am pretty sure it will enlighten the environment. And why not give them something? So this time, instead of buying random stuff, I would suggest you to go eco-friendly. When I say eco-friendly, you can buy some indoor plants and give them to your beloved ones. This will help them to refresh their mood in the mornings, get some fresh air, and also the home becomes much more vibrant for them. Isn't it a good idea? Also, you can buy some diffusers online. So these diffusers are something in which there is a lamp kind of thing. You put some essential oils in that and the entire room becomes aromatic. Now that all of us are staying at home, these indoor plants and diffusers will definitely be a plus for us. Consider giving a thought about these eco-friendly gifts. And finally, this is not fun but will definitely help you. Why not give them some funky masks and hand sanitizers? It will both help them to save them from COVID. Also, funky masks will boost their energy to wear masks often. Last but not the least, as a gift for Friendship Day and Raksha Bandhan, please consider subscribing to my channel. Give it a big fat thumbs up. I will consider this as a gift to me. Why delay? Click that button. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.